Welcome to BulldogRealty.com. Check out all of our new home communities organized by the county. Each are located within Northeast Georgia. Many qualify for USDA 100% mortgage financing. Go Dogs! Craftsman Style Ranch, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,400 square feet. Vinyl siding, white cabinets, formica countertops, stove, microwave and dishwasher included, breakfast area, open greatroom with wood-burning fireplace, master suite has walk-in closet, master bath has garden tub and separate shower, patio, 2-car garage, warranty, home is under construction, all color and selections have been made. Seller will credit buyer $1,500 towards closing costs with use of the preferred lender, Waycross Plan. Features may vary. Photos are of home plan being constructed.